fourth play indicates what you should do if the hands are the same, but she has the other foot forward. Okay? So now, if I try to do that arm bar, it's not going to work because there's a leg in that direction. Okay? So what do I do? I think, Fiore loves us, wants us to be happy. There is a solution. So instead of moving in this line, I have to move in this line. Yeah, triangle point is there and there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step in for it, and now I am going to turn her off her feet that way. Okay, so it's the same sort of push to the jaw as we did for the third play, but because the feet are the other way around, I'm not going to take it in this direction, I'm going to take it over there. And so I'm going to abrazare, and I'm going to grab just above the hip and pull the hip towards me while pushing the face away from me, and it's very uncomfortable, isn't it? Yeah. And you can feel that if I went for it with a bit of vim, down you would go. Sure. Yeah. So she comes to grab me, but she's got the wrong leg forward. That's okay. I just move in the other line. Okay. Let's do it from the other side. So you're coming to grab me. So you probably have that on my hip. So you've actually got me in a similar position, but I'm grabbing at the hip and pushing at the jaw and going in that direction.